Pyro Mini Fire Chute. It's a compact device that literally shoots fireballs from your wrist. Imagine the looks on your friends' faces when you casually launch a fireball to light the campfire. But how does it work? The Pyro Mini uses flash paper, a special material that ignites instantly and burns out just as fast. It's loaded into small capsules, which the device shoots out at high speed. When the capsule hits the air, it ignites, creating an impressive fireball effect. Now, before you get too excited, let's talk safety. The Pyro Mini comes with built-in safety features to prevent accidental firing. Plus, it's designed for professional use, so always follow the manufacturer's guidelines and never use it recklessly. But the real magic happens when you see it in action. Picture a stream of fireballs arcing through the air, each one a perfect sphere of flame. It's not just a party trick. It's a taste of real superhero power in the palm of your hand. We've all dreamed of scaling walls like Spider-Man. But let's face it, most of us struggle to climb a ladder without breaking a sweat. That's where our next superhero gadget comes in, the wall-climbing exoskeleton. Imagine strapping on a device that lets you stick to any surface, defying gravity with ease. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's a real product you can buy on Amazon. The exoskeleton uses advanced suction technology to create a powerful grip on smooth surfaces. Each hand and foot piece is equipped with multiple suction cups that can activate and release in seconds, allowing you to move smoothly up vertical walls. But how does it actually work? The secret lies in the powerful vacuum pumps built into the exoskeleton. America's electromagnet shield, a real gadget that brings superhero defense to life. Picture this. You're in the middle of an intense Nerf gun battle, and foam darts are flying at you from every direction. Normally, you'd be ducking and weaving to avoid getting hit. But with the electromagnet shield, you can stand your ground and watch as the darts bounce off an invisible force field around you. So how does this marvel of modern technology work? The shield uses powerful electromagnets to create a magnetic field that repels small metal objects. Its powered rechargeable battery pack that can keep the shield active for up to 2 hours. When activated, the shield can deflect small metallic projectiles, making you feel like a real-life superhero. We've seen demonstrations of the shield in action, and it's truly impressive. Remember that iconic scene where Thanos snaps his fingers and half the universe vanishes? Well, you can recreate that moment with the Metal Infinity Gauntlet replica. This isn't just any cosplay prop. It's a piece of cinematic history you can wear on your hand. Let's talk about what makes this gauntlet special. Weighing in at nearly 4 pounds, it's a solid, durable replica that feels substantial when you put it on. The attention to detail is impressive, with intricate designs that mirror the gauntlet from the Marvel movies. But the real showstoppers are the 6 Infinity Stones. These gems aren't just painted on, they actually light up, giving the gauntlet an otherworldly glow. It's perfect for recreating those dramatic moments from the films. Now, you might be wondering, is this just for display? Not at all. While it certainly looks great on a shelf, the Metal Infinity Gauntlet really shines in cosplay. Imagine walking into a convention wearing this. You'll instantly become the center of attention, able to strike those powerful Thanos poses and have fellow Marvel fans lining up for photos. Imagine soaring through the skies, dodging obstacles, and feeling the raw power of jet propulsion at your fingertips. This isn't a dream or a movie, it's the gravity jet suit. For decades, personal flight seemed impossible. Jetpacks were clunky, expensive, and often more hype than reality. The gravity jet suit combines 5 miniaturized jet engines strapped to your arms and back, delivering up to 1,000 horsepower. This lets you hover, fly, and maneuver with surprising precision. And the best part? It's all controlled by your body movements. No joystick, no pedals, just pure intuitive control. This suit can reach speeds of up to 85 miles per hour and altitudes over 10,000 feet. But don't worry, it's designed with advanced safety measures and stabilization tech to keep you secure. The materials used are lightweight yet durable, ensuring you stay agile without sacrificing strength. The Gravity Fight Club takes this tech to the next level, allowing enthusiasts to test their piloting skills in high-energy competitions. Think obstacle courses, aerial battles, and challenges that put the jet suit's capabilities to the test. The most jaw-dropping part? Seeing these suits in action, watching pilots zip around like superheroes is enough to make anyone's jaw drop. What if you could wear an Iron Man helmet that's not just a replica, but fully voice-controlled and packed with futuristic tech? Let's be real. Replica helmets usually look great but lack any real functionality. They're either cheap knockoffs or expensive display pieces. But this helmet? It does so much more than just sit on a shelf. Iron Man helmet isn't just a static replica, it's voice-activated. With simple commands, you can open and close the faceplate seamlessly, just like the real thing in the movies. And the coolest part? It's equipped with LED lights that illuminate the eyes, giving you that unmistakable Iron Man glow. The helmet is crafted with precision, using high-quality materials for an authentic metallic finish. It fits comfortably thanks to its adjustable interior padding, making it wearable for fans of all ages. What if I told you that the future of personal transportation is here? The Omni hoverboard isn't just a concept, it's real, it works, and it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Omni hoverboard is rewriting the rules of how we think about mobility. This isn't just a skateboard upgrade. The Omni hoverboard tackles this head-on. Powered by multiple high-performance propellers, it generates enough lift to take you off the ground and into the skies. It's designed with cutting-edge materials that are both lightweight and durable, ensuring it can handle the forces of flight while staying easy to control. Flight stability is enhanced with a state-of-the-art control system, allowing riders to adjust altitude and direction with precision. It's not just a stunt machine. It's a legitimate transportation device capable of soaring over lakes, fields, and even urban landscapes.